Imagine walking into one of the world's greatest museums and suddenly seeing an artwork that almost makes you look away. Most people do, but what if that single moment reveals more about your own mind than the painting itself? For centuries, these masterpieces have challenged visitors, inspired artists, and sparked endless debate. Before you judge what you're about to see, let me show you why millions of people travel across the world just to stand in front of these extraordinary works of art. Those extra lines aren't filler. They're the plot twist, provenance, fakes, near misses, who owned it, who stole it, who saved it. Spot a painting with a weirdly chunky frame? Frames are time machines. A heavy gilded one may not match the era. Hands fashions a scandal. See a little dotted line or a hairline crack under glass? That's conservation. It's like forensic science with brushes. Look for seams. In painting. UV notes on the card. Notice a blank rectangle on the wall. That ghost mark can mean a loan just left, or a label changed. Open spaces tell you the collection is alive, still rearranging its story. If a sculpture sits almost too close to a wall, step to the side. The back often holds the signature. Tool marks, a date. See a tiny red dot on a label or a pencil code? That's inventory language. Shipping, loans, insurance trails. A guard stands unusually close? Not just security, sometimes they're near fragile or high-risk work. Ask them a question. Guards know the room's heartbeat. Benches aren't random. If there's a bench, the room wants you to linger. Sit. Let your eyes adjust. Details surface after 30 seconds. Your brain usually rushes. In a gallery with reflective glass, change your angle. Glass turns the room into an extra layer. Lights, reflections, your face. Look for wall paint color shifts. Curators choreograph mood. Gray for quiet, deep blue for reverence, white for scrutiny. Hear a faint hum? Smell a cool, dry air? Climate control is a character. If it's colder, it's probably older, rarer, or fussier. If you see a crowded label of names, donors, lenders, estates, art survives by networks, philanthropy, archives, activists, families who refuse to forget. A small object in a giant case? That emptiness is intentional. It says, look closer. This tiny thing changes the whole room. And when a caption admits uncertainty, attributed to circle of unknown, that's the frontier. Scholars are still arguing. You're invited in. Before you leave, glance back from the exit. Art rearranges itself when you change your distance. You'll spot patterns, echoes of color, sightlines, conversations across centuries. So next time something seems small, boring, out of place, that's the moment. Lean in. The best stories aren't on the postcard. They're in the margins, the shadows, the silence between frames. Hook for next time? I'll show you the one question curators secretly hope you ask. Don't look away yet.